In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a bigger clock on Samsung device. So if you're using a Samsung phone and you don't want to depend only on this small clock size on your Samsung phone, you can set a bigger widget clock on the Samsung phone home screen so that you can easily have access to the time without straining your eyes. So if at the end of this video you find this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set bigger clock on your Samsung phone home screen, what you do is press and hold the home screen just like this. Then click on widgets. On the widget page, you want to scroll down until you get to clock and expand this option. Here you have few options available here. So you can use this dual clock, analog clock, digital clock, or the alarm. So in this case, we want to set a bigger clock, right? Then let's use this digital clock like this and then tap hard. Once you click on the hard button, you're going to have this clock. Now drag to expand the clock and just press and hold the clock and then move it around. Then drag it. Then this is what you're going to see. This is a bit bigger than this. So if you click on the clock just like this and hold it, then you should have the option to remove the clock. Then if you press and hold back again, come back to widget, then on the clock page is where you just need to go straight away and then choose the clock you want to use here, analog, add that, then adjust the clock like this, and then once you press and hold the clock a bit, you can easily make it larger or bigger. So now adjust it and drag it to the center. So that is it. So this is how you can easily create a very big clock or bigger clock on your Samsung phone home screen. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.